Alright, so now we have...
backwards now?
No, turn it around.
Oh.
Now we're taking one last video for my friend Amir, who apparently has never been sledding. And I don't know why, because they get snow in London, but apparently he's just not, I don't know. No. Alright, so now here we are. I'm going to try really hard not to drop the camera in the snow. Alright, push. 1, 2. Alright, we're going down this hill. Whee! Wait. Tilt, tilt left, tilt left.
Oh,
Ah!
oh you had fun!
He fell off. Alright, we're going to do this again. Gus, don't fall off. You can go faster if someone doesn't fall off. I didn't know you didn't know that.
I'm sorry, because I just felt like jumping out of the train.
Come on. You silly Willy. You silly Willy. Alright, here we go. One more time. And, by the way, the more weight you have, the faster you go as well. So that's why we're doing it with 2 kids, and instead of 1 person and 1 person videoing. Alright, no guys, don't hold on to this, okay? Because then... Wait, no. Don't hold on to me.
Go forward,
I'm trying. Oh, go forward. I thought you meant go down. Alright.
Okay.
Go. Alright, here we go. Woo!
Don't fall off now.
Stop, I didn't fall off, I just tilted. Alright, watch your hand, Gus. Oh, I love you too, brother. Alright, now you can let go of me. Now you can let go of me.
I'm tired.
You can, stop. Stop, let me up. Stop it. Gus, stop. Family issue, okay. See, that's where I landed, and that's where my brother landed. That's where I landed and brother landed. And
How do you know?
And so Amir probably landed like somewhere like right here. See?
Amir was...
That's his head. Alright, now we're good, and we're all done, and now he knows what sledding's like. Okay. I dropped the camera. Okay, good.